Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a loud fan noise for any laptop. Acer, Lenovo, Dell, HP, Asus, Samsung. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type edit power plan. Click on open it. Select change advanced power settings. Just need to scroll down. Expand the processor power management and expand the maximum process rate. You can able to see option like plugged in and battery. Set both values to 60, and this is for normal everyday usage like watching YouTube videos and web document users. For gamers, I suggest you to set 90 percentage in both battery and plugged in option, and select apply and OK for changes. And now no more loud fan noise guys. And that's it for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.